Good evening guys. Today I want to show you my unboxing and first impression of the Galaxy ZFold6 Anti-reflective film. I got this from Taobao China for only $12. You got two of the anti-reflective film in the box. You got two. As you all know, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has what they call a revolutionary anti-reflection screen. I don't understand why they don't make it to the $1,500 Z Fold 6. Isn't this also a flagship? I don't understand. Apple may do better than Samsung in this regard. Okay, anyway, they still made the anti somehow reflective film for the Z Fold 6, and I'm very curious to test it on. Okay, so let's look around the box and see what inside. Okay, the box nothing like okay, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 anti-reflective film. Here at the back you got the QR for a video guide, and in the box you got two of the anti-reflective film, two dust removal sticker, two microfiber cleaner, one squeegee, one applicator, and the install guide. Okay, so let's see what inside. Okay, in China. Okay, here is the installation guide, all written in Chinese. Okay, I will show you. First you have to install the applicator, and then you clean the screen. Okay, it's a two-side application. Okay, let's put that aside. Okay, here is the tool. Okay, here is the applicator, the squeegee, two microfiber cloth, and okay, nothing else. Okay, you got two of that. Here is the camera cutout, and here's the is the alignment for the applicator. Okay, so let's apply the screen protector. I will try my best to apply. It's very hard to do on the video. Okay, but I'll do it anyway. Okay, Okay, the installation is finished. Okay, as you can see, there is a light um, up there, and the reflection is noticeably reduced. Okay, and I think there's some middle line over there, but I think it's going to disappear in a few days. But the first impression is it's really reduced the anti-reflection. Okay, but let's see it side by side with my 3A anti reflect anti-reflection screen protector for my Surface Pro 9. I bought it from Taobao China for $12 for a single screen protector. You all may think that it's very expensive for a single piece of non-tempered glass screen protector, but for me this one of the best purchase screen protector in my life. As you can see directly, it almost gives you a matte screen that you get on the Huawei flagship tablet. Okay, as you can see, I think if we compare side by side, the reflection is very noticeable. I think Samsung need to do more work for their anti-reflective. This one is very high quality, and there almost no degradation in color display. For me, I really love this screen protector, and I really hope they made one for my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, but sadly it isn't available, so I have to purchase the Samsung one. And as you can see, the first it's just like night and day. But I will continue to test it and see how it go. But at least it's better than the tempered glass screen protector. Okay, so that's all for this video. Please leave a comment if you have any question. I'm happy to answer all of your question. Okay, see you all in the next video. Bye bye.